Alongside me, Rohan Jaitley, president of the DDCA, also somebody who played a vital part in hosting Leo Messi for his final leg of the GOAT India tour. How satisfying is it, Rohan, to give Leo Messi a beautiful welcome and then an even better send off?
See, what happens is that when a global icon is on tour of a country, it's not just your responsibility as a person who is in sports administration, but also as a nationalist, where reputation of the country is at stake. After the unfortunate incident in Calcutta, it was essentially paramount and most important that the spectators and the fans experience the best of the Messi tour, and the experience in the city's been fine.
Yeah.
Where he came in and he had a complete interaction. The last few sentences that he spoke and interacted in his local language with the crowd. These are all the emotions that connect the crowds, the fanatics, and the global icon himself.
I've been told that you had a bit of a chat with Suarez and he had good things to say about the stadium and the turnout. Tell us about that, please.
No, so these were just questions about how the infrastructure is, the number of what's the capacity, the general ecosystem around the cricketing infrastructure that the stadium has, and those were essentially those.
How happy were you with the overall turnout and the fact that this is a stadium that has legends of the game. That their names are all over. There's the Virat Kohli Pavilion over here, the Mohinder Amarnath stand here. The stadium has seen a different sport altogether. It's seen Sachin chants, Virat chants, but for the first time, it had Messi chants ringing quite loud. It was quite a cauldron over here. How was that? Different sport, but the crescendo, something new.
See, it was a different experience. It's something where a non-cricketing event has happened in the infrastructure for the first time, and I would say that our experience has been exceptional with the exposure and the input that has been brought about. And now we can say that, oh well, we're not just a cricketing infrastructure, but we've also hosted a few other global icons now.
Is that then giving you more hope and then you're willing to look in a direction where you want to use this facility, barring just cricket then?
I think exhibition appearances is what is something one can explore, but we purely are a cricket infrastructure at ground, so we will not really be doing anything but cricket.